Firstly, you need to be prepared to work hard. It goes without saying, but a strong work ethic's really important.
Be proactive. I think that's one thing that this generation kind of lacks. They think that they can sit at home, bash on a keyboard, send a demo, and they're going to make it.
Hone your demo down to 3 really good tracks and work out which tracks they are with your friends. And only then, when you're really sure, send those out to labels and DJs and stuff. You know, don't just send something that you finished 10 minutes ago and send it off just because you can, because you're gonna make a bad impression if it's not right.
Look up things online like how to actually write a cover letter, how to write a resume, and so on. It may seem like common sense how to write these things, but I know from first-hand experience that just changing a few words in my own applications back in the day when I was applying took me from no response to a couple of interviews.
Don't be afraid to join some Facebook groups. There are a lot of mod teams that make sort of fan-made games or additional levels just for fun, mixed with programmers and artists as well, and you can actually get your music and sound design into a game. And I know some people that have forged a very good career and have been picked up just by doing those kind of work, so definitely give that a try.
And embrace all of the whole package of what your course is offering you, and don't dismiss when a teacher says it's about the transferable skills, because it really is. They're the ones that are going to be with you forever. You're not going to be bashing on beats forever. You know, there's going to come a time where you just want to knock that on the head. You might be 60, 70, but you'll still have all that other stuff about you.